the Automatic Millionaire. What if becoming a millionaire didn't require budgeting, discipline, or even willpower? What if you could set it and forget it and still end up wealthy? That's the magic behind The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. This book flips the script on traditional personal finance advice. It's not about tightening your belt or creating detailed spreadsheets. It's about building a system, one that works whether you feel motivated or not. The heart of this approach is automation. It's not your willpower that builds wealth, it's your systems. When you design your money to work for you, silently, consistently, and automatically, financial freedom becomes not just a possibility, but a probability. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. Let's explore how ordinary people can create extraordinary wealth, not through massive income, but through smart systems, small habits, and the power of time. Chapter 1. The Latte Factor. Bach begins with a powerful observation. We often overlook the biggest financial drain of all, our small, unconscious daily spending. He calls this the Latte Factor. It's not about coffee, it's about awareness. The $5 coffee, the $15 lunch, the subscription you forgot to cancel. These small choices, when added up and compounded over years, amount to hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost opportunity. The lesson here isn't deprivation. Bach isn't asking you to stop enjoying life. He's asking you to become conscious of how small leaks in your wallet could be costing you your future dreams. Because the truth is, you don't need to earn more to become wealthy. You need to start noticing where your money goes and decide whether those daily habits are truly serving your goals. Chapter 2. Pay yourself first, automatically. This chapter introduces one of Bach's most important principles: paying yourself first. Most people pay their bills, spend money on necessities and pleasures, and hope to save what's left, if anything. But this model rarely works. Life has a way of filling every financial gap. Instead, Bach insists you reverse the equation. Before you pay your bills, before you spend on anything else, you must automatically set aside money for yourself. This isn't a manual transfer you remember to do when you feel responsible. It's a non-negotiable system. Money is rerouted to your savings and retirement accounts before it ever hits your spending account. When you automate this step, your savings grow quietly, effortlessly. You don't feel the pinch because you never touch the money. This is the secret to getting rich without having to think about it every day. Chapter 3. The Power of Pre-Tax Investing. Once you're saving automatically, the next step is to make that money work harder. Bach introduces the idea of using pre-tax investment vehicles like 401k, IRA, and Roth IRA accounts. Why pre-tax? Because these accounts allow you to invest more of your income before it's taxed, giving your money more power to compound over time. It's like giving your dollars a head start in the race to wealth. Even if you start with just a small monthly contribution, the power of compound interest can turn modest amounts into substantial wealth. Time is your greatest ally, and automation is your greatest tool. When your contributions are automatic and tax-advantaged, your wealth multiplies with minimal effort, and the earlier you start, the more unstoppable it becomes. Chapter 4. Build a rainy day fund. We often think about saving for retirement, but what about saving for real-life curveballs? Bach reminds us that automation isn't just about building wealth, it's also about protecting it. That's where your emergency fund comes in. He recommends automating small contributions to a separate savings account until you've built a buffer of 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund gives you breathing room when life doesn't go according to plan. Whether it's a job loss, a medical emergency, or an unexpected car repair, your rainy day fund ensures that you don't fall into debt or panic. It's peace of mind on autopilot. And just like with investing, you don't have to start big. Even small, consistent deposits done automatically will build up faster than you think. Chapter 5. Own your home. Automatically. Next, Bach explores one of the most overlooked yet powerful wealth-building strategies, turning your mortgage into a millionaire move. The key is bi-weekly payments. Instead of paying your mortgage once a month, split it in half and pay that amount every 2 weeks. This results in one full extra payment per year without feeling the sting. Over time, this small tweak can shave years off your mortgage and save you tens of thousands in interest payments. It's not flashy. It's not complicated. But it's powerful. Your home isn't just where you live. It's a potential engine of equity and long-term wealth. And with an automatic payment structure, that engine runs on its own. Chapter 6. Automate everything. This is the heart of the book, the power of full financial automation. When you remove yourself from the decision-making process, you remove the risk of forgetting, procrastinating, or giving in to emotional spending. Automate your savings. Automate your investing. Automate your bills. Automate your debt payments. Set everything in motion once and let it work for you in the background. You no longer need to rely on willpower, motivation, or memory. Automation creates consistency, and consistency is what builds wealth. You can go about your life, working, resting, living, knowing that your financial future is being built quietly, efficiently, automatically. Chapter 7. Start small, start now. This chapter is a powerful reminder. You don't need a big paycheck to begin. People delay building wealth because they think they need to have enough first. But the truth is, starting with $5 or $10 a week is enough. It's the act of starting that creates the habit. And the habit, done consistently over years, transforms your financial life. Wealth is not the result of a windfall. It's the outcome of a pattern. And patterns begin with one small step. So start now. Start where you are. Because every day you wait is a day your money isn't growing. Make wealth inevitable. The Automatic Millionaire is not a theory. It's a practical system. It removes guesswork. It removes guilt. It replaces financial stress with financial structure. You don't need to hustle harder. You need to design smarter. By setting up automatic systems, ones that invest, save, pay down debt, and build equity, you turn wealth into your default outcome. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to follow the plan. Because when your systems run smoothly, your future runs freely. This was The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. Brought to you by Success Resources, Books Insights. You don't need to become more. You need to become present. This is more than mindset. It's a mission. Keep seeking. Keep growing. Keep giving. And together, let's make the world rich again. If you enjoyed this audiobook summary, subscribe now to the Success Resources Books Insights channel for more timeless wisdom that helps you grow wealth. One habit, one insight, and one system at a time.